How to fix multiple holiday events in calendar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the calendar app. Now you can see here in January, the 1st of January, I have multiple New Year's Day showing. So here I have 5 different New Year's Day. So they are really repeating events that I can simply remove. So what you want to do is tap on the calendars button at the bottom. And here you can see they are showing public holidays in Australia, public holidays in United States. And down here in my subscribe calendars, again, I've got US holiday, and then I've got US holidays in the other section as well. So instead of having multiple calendars selected for holidays, I can simply deselect them. So one in Gmail, I can remove that. Then another one in Outlook, I can also deselect that. And then subscribe calendars, I can also deselect that. So I will leave just one in purple color and then tap on done. So here now you can see I have removed 3 calendars, and that remove 3 calendar public holiday events from my list. So another one here is the green or the purple one. So I've got another green calendar there. So if I go back into calendars and look for the green icon here, so I will turn off the green calendar, which is the holidays in Australia, and that remove that duplicate holiday event. So that is one thing that you can do, is to simply go into calendars and turn off any repeated public holiday calendars, and just simply turn it off and only select one. Another thing that you can do is go into settings, and in settings you want to go down and tap on apps, then tap on calendar, then tap on calendar accounts. Next in here, check to make sure that you don't have any duplicate accounts. So for example, if in Gmail you have more than one account signed into Gmail, and if there are multiple Gmail calendars, you can simply just turn them off. So here I will tap on calendars to delete from my iPhone. So just turn it off and delete it from your iPhone. So that's another things you can do, is to remove duplicate or multiple Gmail account. And the other thing that you can do is to check your subscribe calendars. Now, if you have subscribed to another holiday calendars, and if you don't need it, you can simply just delete the account, and that will remove the subscribe holidays calendar. So here I've got US holidays. I don't need that. It's already available in my iCloud and my other calendar account. So here I can just delete the account. And that's it. So that is how you can fix multiple holiday events in calendar on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.